The natural world contains a staggering spectrum of scale, starting with the bumblebee bat, a mammal so small it can comfortably sit on a human thumb. From there, the steps up are rapid. Compare that bat to a common mouse, and then move upward again, past dogs and lions. Then you hit the elephant, a biological massive that can weigh more than 6,000 kilograms. But even the elephant is dwarfed by the blue whale, the absolute ceiling of what unedited biology has achieved. On its own, nature is more than capable of producing these staggering organic forms through millions of years of evolution. Yet, despite this immense variety, humanity often refuses to leave natural forms to their own devices. We have developed a persistent urge to reshape biology, attempting to tailor the natural world to fit our specific requirements. This drive has created a second spectrum of scale, an artificial one, where we manipulate both the micro and the macro.
At the micro scale, this manipulation is often a fusion of agriculture and scientific curiosity. In this experiment, a small green apple is forced to grow inside a transparent, donut-shaped plastic mold attached directly to a tree branch. The setup is rigid and highly restrictive, held firmly together by small plastic latches that prevent the fruit from expanding outward. As the apple grows, its natural circular trajectory is blocked by the mold's walls, redirecting the organic tissue. The internal pressure of the growing fruit eventually forces it to fill the entire torus, completing the transformation. This represents a deliberate, structural override of nature, using high-tech materials to force biology into a geometric shape for the sake of scientific innovation. But the manipulation doesn't stop with external molds. On a much larger scale, the methods move from physical barriers to internal biological modifications. In camel beauty pageants, the stakes are incredibly high, with millions of dollars in prizes driving a desire for the perfect specimen. To gain an advantage, some breeders injected Botox into the camel's lips to give them a fuller, more attractive appearance. The cheating went even further, using hormones to artificially increase muscle mass and facial fillers to mimic a relaxed expression. These modifications were so carefully applied that standard visual judging couldn't detect the fraud. Officials had to escalate tactics, using X-ray machines to look beneath the skin for hidden chemicals. They eventually disqualified more than 40 camels, showing that when profit is involved, people will attempt to radically alter even the largest biological structures. These two cases exist at opposite ends of the scale, from a single piece of fruit to a massive mammal. The Taurus apple is a study in scientific aesthetics, while the camels are modified for financial competition. While the motivations differ, both demonstrate a common willingness to treat natural growth as something to be managed and redirected. We began with the bumblebee bat and the blue whale, forms that evolved over millions of years to reach their current organic extremes. But now, human intervention is creating a new category of shapes alongside them. It means the distinction between a purely organic form and one shaped by human hands is no longer as clear as it once was.